I hope you have completed the assignment. Oh, man.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Keep quiet. Listen up. You're going to be reading after me, okay? So let's start. Big letter A.
Small letter A.
Small letter A.
Small letter A.
Big letter B.
Big letter B.
What are you saying?
Big letter B.
So that you can follow others, okay? Big letter B.
Big letter B.
Small letter B.
Auntie.
Small letter B.
Begin first one. Beginning.
Okay.
Some beginning. One.
No problem. We're going to go over it again, okay? Let's just get done with that. Okay. Big letter C.
Big letter C.
Small letter C.
Small letter C.
Big letter A.
Big letter A.
Small letter A.
Small letter A.
That's wonderful. Clap for yourself. Okay, that's good. Just excuse me. 1 minute, okay? Just be reciting.
Dokubo. The way Auntie is teaching us if the thing is very simple. B is for
Me, I don't understand what she's saying. That's why I love drawing.
Huh? Look at. Look at.
Betty. Oh. See, this Becky boy. Becky boy, me, he doesn't understand. We too old for school.
Very old. Every time. Big grammar. What was that? Revisit.
Over.
I don't even understand what she's saying.
Where is Becky boy? Where is she go now?
Bulima. If you ask me, now who I go ask? She has gone to meet her boyfriend,
Wokoma.
Lover.
No. Wokoma.
Becky boy. Wokoma.
What do you want here, Wokoma? What?
Bekimbo, I love you too much. You do like if you don't know what I want.
This is school hours, so I don't know what you want.
Bekimbo, you is beautiful, and me.
Stop it.
Even when you are vexing you is still fine. Me is tell you the truth. You is fine like my papa. Mama.
Listen up here, Wokoma. A wise man once said that it's better to remain unborn than to be untaught. What is wrong with you? If you don't want to come to school, then stop coming around here wandering during school hours. And you're making nuisance of yourself. What's this? See, I won't be this polite if this happens again. Did you get that?
Every time is verse. It's not like it though.
My beautiful in-law.
For the odd 10th time, I've told you to stop calling me your in-law. Eh? Can't you get that into your thick skull?
I see you don't want your daughter's happiness.
What happiness are you talking about? Can a stupid man have something tangible to offer anyone? Look at you. After sowing your wild oats, you think you can hit my daughter with nonsense and your frustration?
Boma, you can insult me all you want. But with or without you, Ebele will be my wife the next month.
Keep living in your world of fantasy.
And I, Soboma, will forge a seed into her. A seed you, Boma, will help me to nurture into life with gladness of heart.
Tamuno Sotokoma. May God forbid that.
As he forbade you all these years, leaving you cold and lonely at night without a man to warm your bed.
Oh, keep talking like a deranged man, because that is exactly what you are.
Ibirebo, I can have you and your daughter, you know, if you ask nicely.
You're very stupid. You're very stupid. I warn you. Stay away from my daughter. Go find someone your own age. Ibere is not for you. Oboribo.
Okuma will be coming to see. Sorry, what is that? See, I don't understand what Auntie is doing at all. I don't just understand.
What?
Are you not noticing that Wokoma, maybe Wokoma want to marry her, and she's doing stubborn head for him? Eh? Jane Bekebo, one teacher, Bekebo. I hope she will not invite Kekana upon herself.
She is not the first woman. The women flocked to her husband's place. She pray, me I not there.
Dokubo.
I flog her. Tamuno, I flog her.
Dokubo, you want to flog Bekimbo?
I flog her.
You want to flog Bekimbo?
I flog her. I flog her.
I will join you and flog her too.
You, Iwalibo, I flog her.
What does she mean by that? That her daughter has not come of age? A woman is but a flower. When she blossoms, that means she is ripe for the plucking. The earlier the better.
You're exactly what I told her. But on her part, she said she wants her daughter to go to school.
What a joke! What is the use of sending a woman child to school? Is it not a complete waste of resources? Does she need school to know how to keep her husband's bed warm at night and breastfeed her sucklings?
I even offered to let her go to school if I so deem it necessary. But she wouldn't buy it.
Okay. Don't worry about that. I will talk it over with my wife. She knows what to do. Njibe. Ladro.
Mete.
Njibe.
Mete.
Njibe. Yebe.
No, Auntie, that one is hard.
Don't worry, you will get to understand it, okay?
I want to be like you, Auntie. I like the way you speak, and I would also want to be a teacher too.
You will eventually, if you keep showing great diligence in your schoolwork. You might even benefit from the federal government's scholarship scheme, only if you work hard.
Auntie, thank you. I promise I'll always work hard.
That's the spirit, Solari. You are a star. And someday, I see you shining brightly. Come here. Don't allow anyone spoil you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can run along now. Run along. Don't forget your assignment, okay?
Yes. Auntie, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Otem, tell me about Wokom.
Auntie, what do you want to know about him?
Everything, anything, just tell me.
Well, he's an orphan. I heard his mother died giving birth to him. And his father died of a snake bite when he was at my age. He has been on his own ever since then.
Meza, bravo. Wana bara.
Bara labo.
Then I move.
Papa,
Hey.
I want to be like Auntie Asikia.
Who is the Auntie Asikia?
Auntie Bekibo for my teacher.
Hey, Arena. Me and Otegasi, the Kimboma, Omapuguloma, Masibu, Apantu, Okaro, Mbi, Sevi, both of you are jokers.
Papa, Auntie Bekibo say if I do my own work and I pass my exam, she'll take me to Onisha, where I will write government exam. And if I pass, I'll go to a big school.
Mmange wire so ata asagedika akeborobari. If you don't get out of here, and I will remove your limbs. Film. You want to talk through your nose like anti-baking air? Nama Subri. Keyola. I want to be like anti-baking one that speaks through her nose. I blame your mother for this madness. Instead of teaching you to become a good wife that will warm her husband's bed very well, you want to be like... you want to be like Auntie Bekibo. You want maybe
Women, I totally agree with you. But all I'm asking for on her behalf is that you allow her finish her education. Then she can get married to whomever is her choice.
No one here is against your daughter going to school, Mama. All we are speaking here is for our tradition. Is Sotoye here not married?
She is married, though.
She goes to school just like Solari, my daughter. You see? Your daughter can still go to school while in her husband's house. That's if it permits. But our tradition has to be upheld.
I am not arguing tradition with you. All right? I'm talking about my daughter's future. Just like any shrewd and loving mother should. Can you keep quiet, you pathetic moron? And listen to me. For those of us that have been privileged to attend standard education, I will attest to how golden education is. Unlike you, pathetic women that have never crossed the boundaries of this village, you know nothing. And that is why you stand by tradition, a tradition that undermines the education of the young. And let me tell you, even God abhors such tradition.
Boma, am I the one you're pouring all these insults?
Oh, you're so pathetic. Because if you were educated, you would understand what I'm telling you.
Now, Boma, you have until 9/4 to speak to your daughter.
Yes.
Otherwise,
I will tear you before you tear me. I will beat you up.
Don't worry.
I will puncture you. Will you get your filthy feet out of my compound? Move it before I strangle you. You are mad. If you call yourself a woman, come back.
What's going on here? Auntie Bomo? What happened? What's going on? Auntie Boma, what happened?
When a woman is of marriageable age, any man can propose to her. And she must accept. Accept. She already has a man who is interested in her. But that man must do the necessary things. And he must let out what he wants to do in the open.
Okay.
Failure of which the woman or the young girl will be sent to her husband's house by force.
But that's unacceptable. It's not! Or whatever your name is called, leave my sister alone. You old man, leave her alone. I bet you don't want to see the other side of me.
How dare you talk to me in such a manner?
Oh, I can talk to you howsoever I deem fit. I care less about your title or whatsoever you represent.
Is this how your father taught you?
My father taught me right. When an elder adorned himself with the robe of foolishness, it is time to be an elder.
You call me a fool, me, Alabosoboma.
My sister is not for sale, and she will not marry you. Get it into your thick skull. Nonsense.
You are here and this small girl is talking to me in such a manner?
Alabo, Ibere is younger 10 than her. Yare?
Woman born.
Etubo, that is why the back of the tortoise is not smooth. After eating the food in the sky, his name is Everybody. So everybody now took their feathers from him, and he has to fall from the up sky, on the ground, and his back now broke to.
Imagine the insult. How wish I were educated. Yes, sir.
Woman, what is it?
It is Boma. That Boma will not die better.
Eh? What did Boma do?
Boma insulted me. She said I didn't go to school. Eh?
Is that the insult? It's not as if she is lying.
Does she have to slap it on my face? She that went to the city to school that came back pregnant? Is that how to go to school?
At least she has been to the city. You have never been to the city before.
Let me do what I'm doing.
So you are supporting her? Is that what it means?
Woman.
In my house as a wife?
Talking. Pointing at me. Never you talk to me with that tone. Never. Never. Hey, come here. I'm talking to you. Come here. Go and prepare. Prepare. Sisters are coming for your daughter. Prepare.
Nonsense, man. Very stupid. I don't know what is wrong with them in this community. What is this? What? You should not have confronted Suboma. But Auntie Bomo, someone needed to put him in this place.
You know, your grandmother was the most powerful woman in Okira. Her husband, a military driver. You know, prior to the war, your grandmother was a secretary at the barracks. She was so privileged that she was able to attain standard education. One thing was very peculiar and outstanding about her. She loved education. And she wanted all the children, both male and female in Okira, to obtain education. But the men frowned at it. Oh, they were not going to hear that. Because they felt that once the girls were educated, they would begin to rub shoulders with the high and mighty, just like your grandmother did. And so the idea of a school coming into Okira was dead on arrival.
Auntie, why were they so adamantly opposed to change? Even the one that could better their lot. Why?
Ignorance, if you ask me. You know, most people are afraid of something that they do not understand. Besides that, your grandmother was the most beautiful, intelligent and educated woman then. You know, your grandmother fell ill. And my mother, who happened to be her childhood friend, asked me to go over, stay with her and look after her. That was the beginning of my relationship with the Jacksons. You know, the day she died, she died in my arms. Before she shut her eyes, she said to me, Boma, in anything you do, be different. She said to me, they are going to hate you for being different. But she said, if you have to make an impact wherever you are, you must be different.
She was indeed a great woman.
You know why I'm telling you the story? I want you to know that the people of Okira never liked your grandmother. They never liked your father. So don't you go thinking that they would like you.
I never knew you were this religious.
There are a lot of things about me you do not know.
I have been waiting for you.
Why would you be waiting for me?
Boma, I have not come to fight you. So you may tone down your voice.
Why are you here?
So Boma came to me and raised certain issues regarding your attitude towards him, regarding his intention to marry your daughter.
He will not marry my daughter. I will not allow it. You see, her father left a strict written instruction that
Her father?
Yes, her father.
Let it be, Boma. You know the tradition.
What tradition? Man-made tradition.
Boma, slow down.
Please.
Take it easy.
No, do not tell me to slow down. These traditions were made by men for whatever reason I do not know. When something has outgrown its usefulness, it should be abolished.
You tell that to your women!
No, you tell that to your council of chiefs. Tell them that I, Boma, I will not be cajoled into accepting any bride price for anyone until my daughter comes of marriageable age. Now you leave. This way.
Please, Kyo, do this for me.
It's not that easy, Ebele.
I know. But it's not too hard for the girl you've always loved. Take this drink, present it to my mother. Make your intentions known to her of marrying me. The women there will know that I've been spoken for, and Soboma will never disturb me again.
That will also mean you have to move in with me. Ebele, my parents will not approve of it. Besides, I don't have any money to take care of you.
Don't worry. As long as you allow me to go to school, my mother will take care of me. Moreover, you're not just doing this for me. It's for us, for our unborn children. They will be educated. And then we can move to Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt, this is the problem, Ebele. You want to go to Port Harcourt, there you meet educated men. You might even remarry and return my bride price. What will become of me?
Kyo, wait. It's you I want.
See, Wokoma, I am totally not in the mood. Just go. Please go.
Bekimbo, I love you. I miss you in house. Give me a hug.
What?
Let
You're
me-
silly. See, I am not going to be doing this with you, okay? And you have this habit of coming to check up on me during school hours. That too has to stop. Let's not give wrong impression to these pupils.
Is he Solare, Ebele that are Pekins there? Huh? Other people is married. Some is will marry tomorrow. and some is having plenty pickings at home. Huh?
Wokoma, education is not a thing of age, but of the mind. You can imagine if all the women in this village are all educated and they teach their children at home. Very soon, we will have university graduates in this community. That would be nice.
It's why you marry me. Me, be head, you, head teacher. And our pickings will go big school. We have big pickings.
Wokoma, you know what? Just get out of my house. Just go. I think you're not well this morning.
Ibekimbo. Ibekimbo. Aboke kasido.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Songiro. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Papa Pukuma, Ingari Fidokirani, Baraswa Sofuria, Urubabote. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Songiro. Yeah, 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 yeah. Songiro. Yeah, 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 yeah. Papa Pukuma, Ingari Fidokirani, Baraswa Sofuria, Urubabote. Yeah, 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 yeah. Songiro. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Really? They are taking your daughter away and you're going to sit here just to cry? Are you not going to do something? Auntie Mama?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Tonkri Papa Pukuma, Ingari Fidokirani, Baraswa Sofuria, Urubabote.
It is our tradition.
My father's last wish on his dying bed was for his daughter to be educated.
His daughter.
Ibere, it's my father's daughter. My sister. And I came all the way here to fulfill his dying wish. Please don't let my peoples here to be ruined. Call those women to order, please. Please.
I cannot, even if I wanted to. It's already in progress. Krigana has been a tradition from the time of our forefathers.
What am I even saying? You never honored Mr. Jackson, my father, while he was alive. Why do I think you will do so in death? all were envious and hateful of him.
Nobody hated your father. He never liked the ways of his people. Hello, you are forgetting your drink.
Keep it. Drink it. And by the gods, may you choke and die on every shot of it.
This girl is as stubborn as her father.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Papa Bukuma, Ingari Fidokiweni Baraswa Soforia, Uribabote. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Papa Bukuma, Ingari Fidokiweni Baraswa Soforia, Uribabote. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Papa Bukuma, Ingari Fidokiweni Baraswa Soforia, Uribabote. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero. Yeah, 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 yeah. Papa Bukuma, Ingari Fidokiweni Baraswa Soforia, Uribabote. Yeah, 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 yeah. Strong hero.
Auntie, why are you saying all this? You're scaring me.
But it is the truth. Look, I know that I said you should stay. But this time around, I am saying wrong. Look, once they are done with Ibere, I promise you they're going to come after you.
God forbid.
As if God is
forbid.
listening.
But Auntie, We're not going to let Soboma get away with this, are we? We're not going to let Soboma destroy my sister's life. We're not going to do that. Never.
Nah. So, we are listening to you. Alabo Sokari. Thank you very much for the warm welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Larry, but stop looking at my daughter before I pluck out your eyes.
My chief, sir, you cannot pluck out my eyes. Who will see a beautiful thing like that?
Oh. Alabo. Amakiri here is my maternal cousin. He's a successful trader. He has 7 canoes. And he exports fishes from Elemama to other communities here. And he has come to marry your daughter.
Yeah. It is nice to have you all here. As a matter of fact, you have come at the right time. She has just seen her father. And at this age, you can mold her into any kind of woman you want.
Really? Yes. Then you need not to worry, for she's in a good hand. Take care of your daughter very well.
Here you go, man. Go and fetch our daughter. Here the husband. They're going to be there. Here the go at home.
No. Wasn't she here with you?
She was here, then she left.
Left to where?
I don't know. He was a beg. So, leave me alone.
Alaba, am I the one you are grumbling at? If I slap your face. If I know both of you are in this together, I will skin you alive. That's your big head.
Alabo Okaro, you know that our forefathers used to say, even in our dialect, that if you go to Wari Bianco and Che Pakarmo,
It is true that when a prominent guest visit to arrive in your house, the slaves are happy because there will be plenty for them in the house.
That is the policy why I said, do not worry. Your daughter is in good hands.
Tibaka, what is it? Where is she? She's gone to where? How can you not tell me that Ebele was Jackson's daughter?
I do not owe you that much information.
You owe me that and much more. He was never around. Where was he when your father abandoned you and your mother? Where was he when she was sick? Against my parents' wish, I stood with you all through that period. That was love.
That was kindness. Everyone knew that you had the most kindest of hearts when we were children.
Is that all you can remember? As far as I can recall, we were really inseparable.
Not really. You sound wounded. We are no longer children. We've all moved on in life.
That prideful and scornful thing.
Jackson was not what you all painted him to be. He was privileged and well-bred. I understand. It's easy to judge people that you're not standing shoulder to shoulder with.
You can defend him all you like, but it cannot change the fact that you have done me great injustice.
What injustice are you talking about?
Of all people. Not him.
Oh, no, what?
Not Jackson.
So why not Jackson? Why not? I mean, Jackson gave me the greatest gift. Huh? Education. And that is what you and all of them out there are trying to deprive my daughter of.
So, you paid him back with a...
It was love, not her. I bore his seed from a place of love. And let me tell you something. Don't you ever come back to my compound. Because if you do, I will report you to your wife.
What are you doing here at this hour of the night? You're supposed to be recuperating. Recuperating. Recovering. Healing. Whatever. You're not well, Nwokoma.
I well, you love is make me well.
Oh, stop that nonsense. I'm clearly not in the mood, as you can see.
Ibofoka, respect is not in your body. Huh? No. See, that is why it's not good for woman go big school. And it's to read big book. Huh?
Are you saying women should not go to school? Is that what you're saying? Oh, how contemptible.
Sakmokbak, grammar. Bekimbo, you see, man is not like you. Woman is not like you. They say you make girl pikin, sisibio swa waribio. See, you go tomorrow. Dedebio, you go.
I am not afraid of them. I am not.
Bekimbo, you stubborn. See, I not stay. See them treat you bad. I love you. You go tomorrow. You go. Dedebio, you go.
tom kri wa fate. Mi tom kri wa fate.
She's not inside.
Nobody.
Search everywhere.
Boma, where is your daughter? Boma,
You had better leave my compound. Leave my compound before I do something you would regret.
I'll come back for you.
And I am waiting for you. Animal.